Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful Andhra style sambar, or as we call it, Pappu Charu. This is a very delicious dish which is made with Toor Dal and a lot of vegetables, and it's best served with some nice steaming rice. So let's get started and check it out. For making the Pappu Charu, I'm taking half a cup of Toor Dal. I soaked it in water for about half an hour. Now I'm transferring all this into a pressure cooker, and then I'm also adding about 2 roughly chopped tomatoes, 6 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You got to mix all these well. Now place the lid on the cooker and keep the flame on medium. Place the weight on the lid and cook the dal for about 5 whistles to make sure it is soft and nice. Now I'm taking a wide kadai. To this add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon Chana Dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon Fenugreek Seeds, half teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 3 red chilies roughly cut, half teaspoon Hing and a few curry leaves. I'm taking about 15 shallots. Add these to the kadai and saute because they add a great deal of flavor. Also, I'm adding 1 finely chopped onion. Mix them all well and saute. Once the onions are slightly cooked, add 2 green chilies, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped sweet potato, 1 sliced radish, 2 roughly cut drumsticks and mix well. For seasoning the veggies, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything together. I have added all the vegetables to my liking here. You can also add any other vegetables like brinjals, pumpkin or bottle gourd, etc. Now add the extracted tamarind juice into the kadai and add 2 cups of water to the kadai. Mix it well and cover the kadai with a lid. Cook the vegetables for about 15 minutes in water. You can see how nice and soft they have become. Now mash the cooked dal and tomato mixture a bit and then pour it into the kadai. Give it a quick mix, and as you can see here, it's quite thick in texture. So I'm adding 1 more cup of water to the kadai. After adding the water, you got to simmer this for a while to let all the flavors blend in nicely. The sambar is now bubbling up. At this point, you can add a spoonful of jaggery. But since I have already used sweet potatoes, I'm just skipping the jaggery part and adding the chopped coriander leaves. You can finally turn off the stove and take this into a serving bowl. This Andhra style sambar, as we call Pappu Charu, is simple yet so good and tasty. It's best served with some nice steaming rice and a dollop of ghee on it. To try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.
The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.